morning students. Today we are discuss about the examples with exercise question of exercise 1.1. This is part 2 of the chapter rational number. First example, find 3 by 7 plus under bracket 6 minus 6 by 11 plus under bracket minus 8 upon 21 plus 5 by 22. First we take the LCM of these denominators. You can see here I am finding here LCM. This is LCM 462. Now 462 divided by 7 and then result multiplied with 3 we get 198. Same this 462 divided by 11 and result multiplied with minus 6 we get minus 252. Similarly minus 176 and plus 105. Now we add 198 and 105. This will be 303 and negative add, this is minus 428. Then subtract to each other minus 125 and denominator as 462. This is your answer. Now second example, find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. You can see here 5 cancel, 15 cancel with 5, 4 cancel with 16, 14 cancel with 7, 9 cancel with 3. So cancellation to each other and then find the result 1 by 2. Now third example, write the additive inverse of plus 21 upon 112. Additive inverse, when we find the additive inverse, the always sign will be changed of the numerator. So 21 upon 112 sign minus 21 upon 112. Then when we add the number and additive inverse, we get always 0. Now next example 5. Find 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. You can check here 3 by 7 is here and 3 by 7 also here. And minus 1 by 14 we get as a separately. So we take minus 3 by 7 as a common of this part and this part. So minus 3 by 7 after taking the common using the distributive property over the bracket 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 and then minus 1 by 14 as a separately. When we solve this bracket and result multiplied with minus 3 by 7 we get this result, and minus 1 by 14 is equals to the minus 3 by 7 into 1 minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. Then we solve this fraction, we get minus 1 by 2 as the answer. Now exercise 1.1, question number 1. Using appropriate property, find the result. You can see here this is question as a last example, example number 5. Similarly, now we have to check one of the fraction 3 by 5 is common in this part and this part also. So 3 by 5 with common over the bracket, remaining part of this part and this part minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6, and simplify this bracket and multiply it with 3 by 5 and 5 by 2 which is not any other part, so take as a separately 5 by 2, and result of this bracket is minus 5 by 6 multiplied with 3 by 5 and then calculate of this part. This result is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now complete solve, this will be equals to 2. Now question number 2 of this exercise 1.1. Write the additive inverse of the 2 by 8 and second part is minus 6 by minus 5. When we find the additive inverse of 2 by 8, we check the numerator. Here is a positive sign, the result will be negative. And when we check second part minus 6 by 5, this is the minus 6 by 5. Here is additive inverse of minus 6 upon minus 5. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 and minus 6 by minus 5. Additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8 because here is numerator positive, the answer will be negative. When we numerator and denominator both is negative, so these negative sign cancel to each other and question becomes the positive, and positive rational number, additive inverse of positive rational number, this is negative rational number. Now question number 3, verify that minus under bracket minus x is equals to x. X equals to 11 by 15. First we check the LHS and then RHS. In the LHS we take this part, minus under bracket minus x minus over the bracket minus 11 upon 15. This equals to minus minus plus, so 11 upon 15. And RHS is equals to x. The already x value is 11 upon 15, so LHS equals to RHS. Now question number 4. Write the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 and minus 13 by 19. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is equals to minus 1 upon 13. When we find the multiplicative inverse, it will be reciprocal. The numbers, it will be reciprocal. Minus 13 as a minus 1 upon 13 and minus 13 upon 19. So minus 19 upon 13. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. Means denominator in the numerator and numerator transfer in the denominator. Sign will never change. Sign as well as. Now today's your homework RCW with question number 5 of this exercise. Thank you.